Okay, here we go. It's another mad day in the DSS wood shop. So we're working on our CNC router, and we bought this laser head a while back for doing some laser engraving, and I'm finally just getting around to setting it all up because we have to write some custom G code for our post processor because we've got it plugged into where the spindle goes, and that's kind of back there. So the spindle will shut on and off to turn the laser while it's traveling between what it's engraving. So let me just really quick, there it is, and there's our test file, and this is a Linux CNC test file that the machine came with. So we had to do I've done a bunch of manual editing of the code, and it may not be totally clear, but M3 is to start the spindle. We had to have a pause, a G04, a half-second pause for the letters, and then M5 just shut it off. So I just went through this file and manually edited that code, and then spat it into the program and set my zeros, and it's actually working really well. So I've got a test piece, I got the laser, and there's a piece I just ran, so I'm going to run that right now. I've got my special 140 to 600 nm glasses on to filter out the laser light that's bouncing off the wood. And all right, and we got this clamped down just so the wood doesn't move with vibrating the table. And here we go. There's the play button, and let's see what happens. Fascinating to me that the video is actually picking up the ray laser light, but again, the glasses that I have on are filtering that out, so all I can see is what's actually occurring on the wood. And there's the program kind of bouncing through the G code. And there we go. So it burned in the Linux CNC into the wood, and it did a really nice job. Whoop. And actually, if we zoom in, let's see here, can we zoom in and right on one of the letters? Oh, that's a little too close. But there actually is a depth. It actually goes down with, we were using pine, it was going down about almost a 1/60th of an inch. So there we go. So there's some fun with lasers, and so if you actually wanted to do something really large, you'd have to have a really large machine to do it in, and so a retrofit to a router seems like a great way to go. So we're going to keep playing around with this, and we will be back.